Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Rim Bautista Abraham, 28 years old. I am married and I have 2 kids,
How old your kids?
12 and 9 years old,
What is your educational attainment?
high school graduate,
Okay, what position are you applying for?
domestic helper.
So you want to work in domestic helper in Qatar.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you an ex-abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
From what country?
Saudi Arabia for 4 years and 9 months and Hong Kong for 3 months.
Okay, so your Saudi Arabia is 4 years and 9 months. How many members of the family did you serve here?
Only 2.
There are 2.
Yes, ma'am.
They have no kids here.
They have, but they are separate house.
Okay, how about in Hong Kong? How many members of the family?
4 members.
4 members. Have 2 kids.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Qatar?
To support the financial needs of my family.
Before, as a helper, what is your duties and responsibilities?
I'll do cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing.
You take care of the kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any message to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am, sir. Good day. Please do hire me. I'll do my responsibility as long as I can.
Okay. Thank you very much, Ms. Rim Agraan.